Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good and everyone is happy as well. Okay, today I have created this look. This look I created is by a very minimal product, and that is beginner friendly product, and today's my topic is that only, makeup kit for beginners. Okay, let's get into the video. So first thing first comes this is a first step of makeup for beginners especially, and this is a Maybelline New York Fit Me. This is my current favorite tint, and this is CC. It's almost finished, and if you are a beginner, then you can just start with this or this. I'm gonna apply this CC. This is really easy to blend, and it is very begin friendly. I started makeup since my college days, and yeah, I started with a very minimal product. Like I used to use only BB cream, and that is of Pond's BB cream, and a lipstick. That's all. And yeah, eyebrows, of course. As a beginner, you don't need much thing. You just focus on very minimal product. This is a eyebrow kit. Okay, I'm done with my eyebrows, and yeah, you can use this type of palette, or otherwise you just go with a pencil. It is easily available online and offline. The third thing you need is this is mascara. If you wish to apply eyeliner, then that's totally your choice. You can use that. Fourth product I suggest you is this is a blush. You can find various type of blushes, liquid, matte, cream. You can choose whichever you like. Right now I'm using this Mama Earth Wala Nourishing Natural Lipstick and Eye Tint. See, this is too cute. You can find here mirror also. Okay, last thing you need is this lipstick. Okay, I'm done with today's makeup, and hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll provide you my link in my description box. Please check it out. Bye.